Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make streusel topping for banana bread. This simple addition elevates your bake with a delightful crunch and sweet flavor. We'll cover the essential ingredients, the mixing process, and tips for baking it perfectly. Get ready to transform your ordinary banana bread into an extraordinary treat that everyone will love. It's an easy step that makes a big difference. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cold, unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is cut into small pieces. This helps create that perfect crumbly texture. For an extra layer of flavor, add a pinch of ground cinnamon. These simple items are the foundation of a fantastic streusel. Now let's mix. In a medium bowl, combine your flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Next, add the cold butter pieces. Using your fingertips or a pastry blender, work the butter into the dry ingredients. The goal is to achieve a crumbly texture, resembling coarse crumbs, not a smooth paste. Avoid overmixing to keep the streusel light and airy. Once your streusel is ready, sprinkle it evenly over the top of your banana bread batter before baking. Bake your banana bread according to your recipe's instructions. The streusel will become beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. For the best texture and to prevent crumbling, allow your banana bread to cool completely before slicing and serving. Enjoy your elevated treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.